this tutorial, I will guide you how to cancel your subscription from remotejobs.io. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now also go to the website, which is remotejobs.io. Make sure to log into the account that you want to cancel subscription. Now also log in. On the top right corner here, you'll see member. Just select manage account. Now on the manage account section, you should see your contact information. Just select here subscription settings. Now on the subscription settings, if you do have an active subscription, you'll be able to cancel on this section here. If you don't see an option to cancel or you face any issues, you can always contact their customer support team through their email support@remotejobs.io, or by phone, you can just call them through the phone, which is provided here. As they say here, when you are signing up for the subscription, they always say here, you can cancel anytime online by email or by calling through the number which have been provided here. So follow the instructions very carefully. And if you face any difficulties, you can always contact their support team through the email or call them through the number which have been provided here following their schedule.